today we will start the B.Sc second semester botany paper. The name of the botany paper is Archegoniates and Plant Architecture. The Archegoniates means are those plants which bears the Archegonia, that is the bryophyta and pteridophyta as well as the gymnosperm. In these three groups of the plant, the Archegonia is a female reproductive organism. The another is the plant architecture. Plant architecture is commonly called as the plant morphogenesis. And in plant morphogenesis, we will discuss about the morphology of the flowering plants. That is the angiospermic plants. The angiospermic plants are those plants which have the fruit seeds are enclosed inside a container-like structure. That is also called as the fruit valve or vessel. So that's why they are called as the angiosperm. And in plant architecture, we will discuss the total morphology of the plants, that is from root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit and seeds, etc. Now let us we will start the archegoniates. So as I told you that the archegoniates are those plants which bears the female reproductive organ as a archegonia, and this archegonia is a flower-shaped structure which having the two regions toward the upper side, a long elongated neck-like structure is present, and toward the lower side, a broad basal region is present. This broad basal region here is called the venter region, and inside the venter region, a large egg cell, a small venter canal cell, and the number of the neck canal cells are present. These are the neck canal cells, this is the venter canal cell, and this is the egg cell. The archegoniate plants are of three types. That is the bryophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms. The bryophytes are the most like plants, and they are also called as the primitive land plant or first land, because for the first time on the earth the plant forms are the bryophytes. So that's why they are called as the primitive land plants. These are the primitive land plants. They are also called the amphibians of the plant kingdom. These are the amphibians of plant kingdom. Amphi means the both, and bios means life. That is those plants which having the two type of life, that is they are present on the land, but for the reproduction they require the water for fertilization and opening of the sex organs. So that's why they are called as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. And because for the first time they come on the land, so they are called as the primitive land plants. And for the primitive land plants, they having the certain adaptations for the land habitat. Like they bear the certain hair-like structures, and these hair-like structures resemble to that of the root, but they are not the true roots. And these hair-like structures are called as the rhizoids. The main function of the rhizoid is to help in the anchorage of the plant to be substratum, as well as they help in the absorption of the water and minerals from the soil. तो soil से water और mineral के absorption में help करते हैं. So that besides they are the slightly multicellular. And the plant body of bryophyte is the prothallus, or simply they are called as the thallus-like plant body. So thallus-like plant body are those plant body which is not differentiated into the two leaves, true stem and true root-like structure. And they are also placed in the cryptogames. Why we placed them into the cryptogames? Because here the sex organs are completely hidden. That is, they are not visible by the naked eyes. You can see these sex organs, Antheria and Archegonia of bryophytes, with the help of the microscope, because they are embedded inside the thallus. So they are placed in the cryptogames. So let us the another group is the pteridophyte, which is placed in Archegonia. So pteronis is leaf-like structures, and phytonis plants, that is those plants in which initially the leaf-like large or feather-like structures are appear. So that's why they are called as the pteridophytes. These pteridophytes are also called as the amphibians of the plant kingdom, because like the bryophyte, they require the water for fertilization. So they are called as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. They are also called as the snake of the plant kingdom. Snake plant kingdom, because in these plants the vasculature is present, that is the xylem and phloem are present, so they are called as the snake of the plant kingdom. Or in these plants the first leaf is the cercinately coiled leaf, so they are called as the snake of the plant kingdom. The cercinate leaf is like that. Because here the young leaf is coiled like that of the snake, so they are called as the snake of plant kingdom. इसीलिए हम इनको स्नैक ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम का नाम देते हैं। तो ये आपके पास है स्नैक ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम का, आपने इसको नाम दिया है। इन ब्रायोफाइट्स द प्लांट बॉडी इज द गैमेटोफिटिक, बट हियर in pteridophytes the plant body is sporophytic plant body, and it is highly developed plant body, because here plant body is differentiated into the root, stem and leaf like structures. But in case of the bryophyte, the plant body is only made up of the parenchymatous mass of cells, which is called as the thallus. But here the well developed plant body is present, which having the root, stem and leaf like structure. Another, these pteridophytes are also called as the tracheophytes, because in these plants the trachid bearing structures are present, that is in these plants the vasculature, xylem and phloem are present, which help in the conduction of water and minerals from the soil, as well as the translocation of the food material from leaf to the other part of the plant body. The third group is the gymnosperma. So gymnos means naked, sperma means seed. So here the seeds are naked seeds, and so the seeds is not enclosed by any structures, so they are called as the gymnosperm plants. In Hindi they are called as the नगन बीजी और अनावर्त बीजी पौधे, क्योंकि इनके चारों ओर, सीड के चारों ओर कोई भी अलग से कवरिंग नहीं मिलती। मिलती है। जैसे आप देखते हैं कि जो एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट होता है, फ्रूट का फॉर्मेशन होता है, तो फ्रूट के अंदर आपको सीड दिखाई देते हैं, यानी सीड आपके पास एक कवरिंग के अंदर बंद रहते हैं, तो इसलिए आप उसको एंजियोस्पर्म का नाम दे देते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे आपके पास जो सीड्स है प्लांट के ऊपर आपको डायरेक्टली लगी हुई दिखाई दे सकते हैं। आप मोरपंखी प्लांट देख लीजिए, आप चीड़ का प्लांट देख लीजिए, आप एरुकेरिया का प्लांट आप देख लीजिए, या आप चिलगोजा का प्लांट आप देख लीजिए, तो यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्टली सीड्स प्लांट के ऊपर लगे हुए दिखाई दे जाते हैं, लेकिन उससे चारों ओर कोई कवरिंग नहीं मिलती है। लेकिन एंजियोस्पर्म में आपके पास फ्रूट के सीड्स के चारों ओर फ्रूट वाल होती है, जो कि